Within your test kit, you have received 4 items. These are a testing device within a foil pouch, a swab stick, an extraction buffer tube solution, and a nozzle cap. The first 2 steps to do when preparing for your test is to go and wash your hands with soap and water, or use an alcohol-based gel. You then need to blow into a tissue to get rid of any nasal discharge. You then want to remove your testing device from the foil pouch by peeling it back. When removing the testing device, ensure that your testing device has not been damaged. You then place this onto a flat surface. With your swab stick, you can see that there are 2 sides to it. You have your cotton bud tip and you have your handle. When opening it, ensure that you are peeling it back from the handle side and that you avoid touching the cotton bud tip. Remove it from the sheath gently. You then want to tilt your head slightly backwards and then insert it into the nostril. You should feel some slight tension. Once you have, you need to rotate it 3 to 4 times. This process should last about 15 seconds. Once you have done this, remove the swab stick and place it into the other nostril and rotate it again 3 to 4 times. Remove it from the nostril and then pick up your extraction buffer tube solution. You then want to peel back the foil cap and place your swab stick into the solution. You then rotate the swab stick about 5 times. Again, this process should last about 15 seconds. Once you have done this, when removing the swab stick, it's important to squeeze the sides of the extraction buffer tube to ensure that you get all the solution out of the cotton bud tip. You then place it back onto the sheath. With the nozzle cap, you place it on top of the extraction buffer tube, ensuring that it's on tightly. You then pick up your testing device, and as you can see, there's a specimen well. With the solution, tilting it slightly, you want to place 3 drops of this into that specimen well. Once you have done this, place the testing device onto a flat surface and wait 15 to 30 minutes.